Yeah.
Are you ever on time to a car show?
No.
No. Or are you always running fashionably late and just rushing everywhere? Yo. Oh my god, the camera. And here we are, Buchanan, Caffeine and Carburetors. Caffeine and Carburetors? That's what they're called again? I'll be forgetting, that's crazy.
I'm such a vlogger.
I'm such a vlogger.
This is nice as fuck, bro. Yeah.
I don't know.
See,
I love these. These things get down.
this is red line.
Oh,
is
shit.
it? Yeah. I was just about to say. I'm pretty sure.
Are you sure? Is it Reflections Auto Spa's car?
No.
That it says it right up here. Shameless plug.
Apparently it's like low mileage and single turbo, like built motor and everything.
Oh, nah, you're right. I did see this at Redline before.
Love the target top. Yeah, this thing's fucked. And it's green.
Mm-hmm. Sir, introduce yourself and what do you drive?
Salami chicken bacon.
No.
Oh, hello. My name's Brandon Don.
You're doing great, Matt.
Nice shout out.
I drive
Anyways, we're gonna get to the real person.
I drive a Mark V GTI. Alphard.
So one Mercedes on bricks out there. Oh my god. This is top tier car right here. I don't care what anybody says. Freaking hater, dude. It's got Corbos in it. This thing gets down.
Oh, he has a Lime Bar sticker. I wonder if he's ever looked at
It's nice. I will have one day. Unpopular opinion, I like these more than the Huracan. I don't care what anybody says. Yeah.
Oh, this was here last time too. This thing.
That's yeah. Damn, that thing is nice. It was at Bootsy's. Shout out Bootsy Gear, Milford, Connecticut shop. Homeboy getting it down. It's the ED8s, right? You're gonna have one day, Matt. One day I'll have this exact camera, and I'll be like, yeah, this is.
Look at us.
We're gonna look at us now.
Yo, see this angle right here?
What?
See this angle? How we're both in the shot? 10 years.
10 years.
I'm like, oh, look at my new car.
Oh, look at my new car.
That's not old, bro. It's still new to me.
Facts. It's crazy how, but I bet you those things are gonna like age perfectly. And now we brought to you by the struggles of Brandon Don. As you can see, he's got a nice angle on this Merc right here. But
Oh, we might have an opening.
oh. Now you go, you go. There you go. It's all about patience. It's all about patience.
Oh, get those shots in right now.
Oh, he got it with the film too. You seen that reload? You seen that reload?
Oh my god. Run that back.
You gotta take another one. We gotta get it first.
No, that's a fire shot. Get it.
No, the kids.
Walk this way, I'll walk that way.
Ah, damn it, I wanted to catch the reload.
I'm gonna take another one.
Hey, where's Matt at? Where'd he hide into? Oh, there he is.
I lost.
I lost.
You know that little Uzi thing? Oh, did I block you? Bro. You got one.
Yeah, he got
I know Yanks is like
4. How many Cosworths are in my store? I know I'm stealing. No.
those seats.
Oh, that's sick. Here's my toy car. Now here's my real car. Flooded. RX-7 things.
Yeah.
This is typical. There you go. Need that.
Maybe when we're like 95.
Oh, look at that Golfie.
Door handle?
Oh shit, Evo.
Tease.
Not the rev on cold start.